You want to know what's cooking in Kiki's kitchen today? Burnt pancakes. You need syrup, oil, flour, milk, a spatula, measuring cups, bowls, frying pan, eggs, bananas, and a whisk. Let's get started. Look at these burnt pancakes. Look at these burnt pancakes. Look at these burnt pancakes. Need to come out looking high yellow. You need to peel this banana first and foremost. Then you need to cut it up, put it in whole, cut it into small pieces, whatever you want, but you need to peel this banana. As we Caribbean people would say, drop it, dash it, mash it. Ripe banana, the sweeter the pancakes. These cakes are a hit. After you combine the milk and the flour together, it's time to mix it up. I hope you finished mixing. Now it's time to put the eggs into the flour and milk mix. These burnt cakes are about to be on and popping, baby. Then after you get that going, mix it all together. Make sure that pan is oiled nicely. Not too much and not too little. Shake it all up. Get that oil flowing from one side of the pot to the next. It's frying time. You ever seen a pancake bubble, sizzle? This is getting ready. Burnt pancakes, here we come! Ooh! Ooh! Stay tuned for my next recipe. Today is burnt pancakes, tomorrow is something else.